Now I'm going to do an 11 over 5. So first thing I do is I slip everything as if to purl just to straighten it out. The middle stitch here, I double yarn over it in the previous round. And that's the center of the 5 stitches. So here's 2. Here's that middle of the 5 stitch. See how it's got a yarn over? I'm just going to slip it, dropping the extra yarn over, and the other 2 stitches. So those are the 5 stitches. Now to make them neat, I'm going to put my needle in as I slip them back, yanking on them just to even out those yarn overs, that one yarn over, so that there's enough room. See how there's enough room in there now? All right, so now I just have 5 loose stitches on my left needle. I'm going to slip 3 as if to knit, because you have to slip 1 past the center, or rather the center stitch to be in the middle. So if I slip 3 as if to knit, that puts that center stitch back in the middle. Now I slip 2 more as if to knit, 1 at a time. 1, 2. Now all those 5 stitches are on the right needle, with the centermost stitch forward. Now I slip the left needle back in as if I were doing a knit 5 together, which is really what I'm doing. And there's enough room to do that because of that double yarn over in the previous row. So now I just wrap and yarn over 5 times. So wrap as if to knit once and pull through. Yarn over, that makes 2. Insert the needle and wrap again. 3. There's the third. And keep them neat with your thumb. 3. Wrap again. 4. And then here's the 5th. 5. How many we need? 11. 5. 11. So that's 5. So that's 6. All the evens are yarn overs. 7 is a wrap. 8 is another yarn over. 9 is a wrap. 10 is the last yarn over. And 11 is the last wrap. And now you can take them off the left needle. And you have 11 wraps here, which will get dealt with in the next row. And yes, it's normal to curse when doing it because, it's a pain. They're tight. And to say things about Tsarina's cleverness and insanity while doing this, but it does work. It's just, a little bit fiddly. And these just get taken care of easily in the next row. You just have to pull them a little bit so that you can see what you're doing. I hope that was visible.